Jack has a savings account containing 10,000 bucks. Interest accumulates so that every 5 years, the amount of money in that account grows to 11/10ths of its amount at the beginning of the 5 years. How much money is in that account after 20 years, given that no money is put in or taken out of the account? Well, what this means is we're not putting in extra money that we don't need, or we're not taking out money that to use to buy more things. That means we're just multiplying. We're just doing things to this 11/10ths. And first we're starting with this 10,000 bucks. Of course, that's what we're starting with. And then after 5 years, they said the money grows to 11/10ths of its amount at the beginning of the 5 years. That means after 5 years, we have 11/10ths to the first. 1,000 times 11/10ths to the first. Well, after 10 years, we just multiply an 11/10ths squared, because, after 5 years, multiplying one of these, after another 5 years, we have one more of these. That means we have 2 of these. And then same with 15. After 15 years, there's 11/10ths cubed. After 20 years, we have 11/10ths to the 4th times 11/10ths to the 4th. Now, we can write this as 10,000 times 11 to the 4th. Write that 11 a little bigger, so it will be clear that the 4 is an exponent, divided by 10 to the 4th. And we see that 10 to the 4th is a 1 followed by 4 zeros. That means these two are actually equal, so we just cancel these. Numerator, denominator, cancel those off. And just left with 11 to the 4th. And I can't compute that, but if you remember, we taught you Pascal's triangle. I'm going to write that down for you. It looks like this. Okay, this goes on forever if you watched my video on Pascal's triangle. So first line is 11 to the 0. The second line is 1 to the 1st. Third line is 11 squared, and you can guess that 1,331 is 11 cubed, and it is. And finally, 1,400. This 14,641. You can guess that is 11 to the 4th, and in fact, you're right. These two are equal. That means 11 to the 4th is just 14,641. And oh boy, that's a lot of money. Maybe you should start saving a money right now.